How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can add or make your own threads in FreeCAD. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to Tools, click Add-on Manager, and from here, you simply want to search for a specific add-on called Fasteners. So it's going to be the Fasteners Workbench, some common fasteners and fasteners tools for FreeCAD. From there, just restart your FreeCAD and then you want to head over to the Fasteners Workbench. So we're going to create an empty file, Fasteners, and then of course you can choose any fasteners presets that they have. In my case, I'm going to use this simple fasteners option. Of course, you can customize this to whatever you want to. For example, if you want to customize the bottom part, just click on it. In here, you have the length. So let's do something like custom, and then you can lower this down the way you want to. So let's do something like 30 mm. So from there, once again, you want to scroll down, and for the thread, you just want to turn this to true, and then it will input the thread right here. Of course, you can also input something like this hooks that you can use for some tools. And then we also have some nuts right here that you can go ahead and edit. And so that's how you edit or make your own threads in FreeCAD. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.